An isosceles triangle has perimeter 40 cm. The equal sides are 15 cm each. Find the area of the triangle. Let non-equal side of triangle is x centimeter. Perimeter is equal to 40 centimeter. Perimeter means the sum of three sides of triangle. Equal sides are 15 centimeter. Non-equal side x. Side A, side B, side C. Perimeter x plus 15 plus 15. X equal to 40 minus 30 is equal to 10. S is equal to 1 by 2 perimeter A plus B plus C. perimeter दिया हुआ है 40, डायरेक्ट 40 लिख सकते हैं, या चाहे तो 10 प्लस 15 प्लस 15 लिख सकते हैं, 20. एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल बाय हेरोन फार्मूला अंडर रूट एस माइनस ए, एस माइनस बी, एस माइनस सी. अंडर रूट एस इज 20 minus a is x is 10. 20 minus b is 15. 20 minus 15 is equal to under root 20 into 10 into 5 into 5. 20 के लिखेंगे हम 2 into 10, 10 into 5 into 5 is equal to 10 into 10 का इसका रूट 10, 5 into 5 का इसका रूट 5, रूट 2 is equal to 50 रूट 2 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. आंसर. क्वेश्चन. An isosceles triangle has base 10 cm and its area is 60 cm square. What are the lengths of the equal sides? Base is 10 cm. इक्वल साइड्स का लेंथ हमें क्या करना है. इसको भी हेरोन फार्मूला, एस वाले फार्मूला से भी बना सकते हैं, लेकिन इसको हम एरिया दिया है इसलिए परपेंडिकुलर ड्रा करके बनाएंगे. ड्रा perpendicular from A to base BC. AD is perpendicular from A. We know that in isosceles triangle, perpendicular or height or altitude bisect the base. Therefore, BD is equal to half of 10, 5. Let triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. In which AB is equal to AC. We have to find length of AB and AC. Base 10 cm. Draw AD perpendicular to BC. Then BD is equal to half of 10, 5 cm. Area of triangle is 60 cm square. Area is 1.2 base into altitude. Base BC, altitude AD. Base BC is 10. Altitude AD you have to find. 2 ones are 2 5s are. AD is equal to 60 upon 5 is equal to 12. AD is 12. Now in right triangle ABD by Pythagoras theorem, AB square hypotenuse square is equal to sum of squares of other two sides AD square plus BD square. AD is 12, BD is 5. 144 plus 25, 169. Taking square root, AB is equal to root 169 is equal to 13. Answer: lengths of equal sides are 13 centimeter each. The area of a right angled triangle is 54 square centimeter. One of its leg has length 12 centimeter. Find the perimeter. One of its leg is 12 centimeter. Let ABC is a right angled triangle in which angle B is right angle 90 degree. Area is given 54 square centimeter. One leg BC 12 centimeter. Find its perimeter. Area of right angle triangle is equal to 54 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर. राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल का 1/2 बेस इंटू हाइट. बेस इज 12, हाइट ए बी हमें निकालना है. बेस बी सी, हाइट ए बी. बी सी 12, ए बी we have to find. 2 ones are 2 6 are. AB is equal to 54 upon 6, 9. AB is 9, BC is 12. We can find hypotenuse AC in right triangle ABC by Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse AC square, sum of squares of other two sides AB square plus BC square. AB is 9, BC is 12. 81 plus 144, 225. AC is taking square root, 225 is equal to 15. Find its perimeter. Perimeter is equal to sum of three sides of a triangle AB plus BC plus AC. AB is 9, BC is 12, AC is 15 is equal to 36 centimeter. Answer: the sides of a triangle are in the ratio 2:3:4 and its perimeter is 45 centimeter. Find its area. Let the sides of triangle are 2x, 3x and 4x centimeters. given perimeter is equal to 45 centimeter. Perimeter means the sum of three sides of triangle, 2x plus 3x plus 4x 9x is equal to 45. X equal to 45 upon 9. 5. Sides of triangle are 2x, 3x and 4x. 2 into 5, 3 into 5 and 4 into 5. यहाँ x के वैल्यू को रख दिए 10, 15, 20 centimeters. We have to find the area of triangle S, half perimeter 1 upon 2 A plus B plus C. Perimeter given 45 डायरेक्ट लिख सकते हैं 45 by 2. Area of triangle by Heron's formula. Area of triangle is equal to root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Area is equal to root S is 45 by 2, S minus A, 45 by 2 minus A is 10, 45 by 2 minus B is 15, 45 by 2 minus C is 20 is equal to root 45 by 2 into 45 minus 20 upon 2. 45 minus 30, 2 15 are 30 upon 2. 45 minus 40 upon 2 is equal to 45 by 2 into 25 by 2 into 15 by 2 into 5 by 2 is equal to नीचे में 2 2 into 2 का स्क्वायर हो जाएगा 2 into 2 1 upon 45 को लिखेंगे 3 into 3 into 5, 25 को 5 into 5, 15 को 5 into 3 into 5 is equal to 1 upon 4. 3 into 3 का 3, 5 into 5 का इसका रूट 5, 5 into 5 का 5, 3 और 5 बच गया रूट 15 is equal to 75 by 4 root 15 centimeter square. Answer. The sides of a triangle have length 7 centimeter, 24 centimeter, 25 centimeter. Find the area of the triangle in two different ways. Sides of triangles are 7 centimeter, 24 centimeter and 25 centimeter. These three numbers are 7, 24 and 25 are Pythagorean triplets. As 7 square plus 24 square is equal to 49 plus 576 plus 265 is equal to 25 square. Therefore, these are Pythagorean triplets. Therefore, these are sides of right angled triangle. First method, using Pythagorean triplets, legs of right triangle, two legs of right triangles are and 24 centimeter. Hypotenuse is 25 centimeter. Seven, 24, 25. Longest side is hypotenuse. Opposite angle is 90 degree. Area of triangle 1/2 base into height. Base is 24, height is 7, 84 centimeter square. It is first method. Second method, second way, by Heron's formula. AS is equal to 1/2 A plus B plus C. A, B, C, 7, 24 and 25. 1/2 is equal to 28. Area of triangle under root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. S is 28. 28 minus 7, 28 minus 24, 28 minus 25, 28 into 21 into 4 into 3, 4 into 7 into 7 into 3, 4 into 3, 4 into 4 का इसका रूट 4, 7 into 7 का 7, 3 into 3 का 3 इज इक्वल टू 84 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. आंसर.